Hello friends, today we are going to learn Solid Edge 2021, how to draw sketches in Solid Edge 2021. For starting purpose, we will learn how to draw sketches. So you have to click on this left corner with the Solid Edge icon, click on it, click on new, then click on new. Then here you will see the standard templates. This ANSI inch, then ANSI metric, DIN metric, ESKD metric, GB metric, isometric, GIS metric, and this is metric, nailboard, quick sheet, report, symbol, and UNI metric. The ANSI inch is used in American standard, according to American standard. ANSI metric also in American standard. DIN metric is used in Germany. GB metric is used in Great Britain. ISO metric is used in for international purpose. Various countries use isometric. In India, we also use isometric. GIS metric is used in Japan. So we are going to use isometric for our drawing, part modeling, 3D modeling. For all purposes, we are going to use isometric. So after clicking on our isometric, click on isometric part, then click on OK. This window will pop up here. So for modeling, 3D modeling or sketching purpose, we have to turn this synchronous into transition to order. Okay. To on base reference planes, you can click on this dialog box here. Then you can see you will get a 3 planes here. For it, now you have to draw sketches. So click on sketch, select a plane. Here you can select like this. Then here are various types of sketches. Here you can see line sketch, like this you can draw various types of line. After that, here is point. If you want to put up certain points in any where in the sketch, you can use this command. Like this you can put points. Just simply click on anywhere, you can create a points. After that, you can use a free sketch. You have to draw certain free sketch, you can directly get a certain shape of it. This is we can freehand sketch. Like this you can do. But if you want to draw certain sketches from origin itself, then this command free sketch will not be useful for it. Okay, so just for your information I'm telling you. So now I will delete all this, Control A, and then delete. After that, I want to draw a rectangle. This is rectangle by center point. Here you can get like this. You can draw sketch from center. After that, if you want to give it 2 points, rectangle by 2 points. First one this, and this is second one. This is how you draw rectangle. After that, this is rectangle by 3 points. This is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. After that, this is polygon by center. If you want to draw a polygon which have 5 sides, then you have to click sides 5 and then click on center, and like this you can draw a polygon. If you want to draw a hexagon, then you can put sides 6 here and click on center, and like this you can create a hexagon. If you want to draw octagon, then just click on sides, put 8 number in it here, and you can create octagon here. Okay friends, this is how you can draw polygon, hexagon and octagon. After that, if you want to draw a circle like this, circle by center point, here you can draw a circle by center point. After one that you want to draw a circle by 3 points like this is second and this is third. This is how you can draw circle by 3 points. After that, tangent circle. If you want to draw a circle tangent to any particular line, like here we can take this line, so just here you can draw this. Like this you can draw a tangent edge circle to this line. After that, this is ellipse by center point. Ellipse by center point, this one is center point, this one and this one. This is how you can draw ellipse. After that, this is ellipse by 3 point, so this one first, second and this is third one. This is how ellipse by 3 points. Then tangent arc, so this one is tangent arc. If you want to half circle arc to this line which is tangent to this line, so this is how you can select a tangent arc. After that, this is arc by 3 points. This is one second, this is third one and this is third one. Again we go to arc. This is arc by center point. Here this first point which is center, this is second and this is third. This is arc by center. If you want to give a fillet, here select any two sides, adjacent sides, then click on it. This is how you can draw a fillet. Again, if you want to give a fillet like 10, put 10 here like this. You can give 10 radius or fillet here. If you want to give a chamfer, then here this one is select any two adjacent sides, angle will be 45. If you want to change any, you can change it from here. Then setback, if you want to give a setback of 10 here, and again setback of 10 here, then you can see here, this is how we give chamfer. Again, if you want to right click, and again you can use the same command. Then this is 15. If you want to change it to 15, this is 15. This is how you can add a certain amount of various chamfers. After that, you can use this trim command to trim. If you want to trim this internal line, just click and drag your mouse, then click and drag your mouse, click and drag your mouse. This is how you can use our trim command. Click and drag, 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 click, left click and drag, click, left click and drag. So this is